Ayo, just thought I would save you about 2 minutes. If you want to skip it from 205 to 405, go ahead and do that. Don't have any fancy editing equipment just yet. Thought I would let you know. Also, it's about 1 a.m. whenever I'm doing this video, so I'm trying not to be too loud. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fix my tear on the seat that I have on a motorcycle. Let's do this. Tools that you'll be needing is going to be scissors, flathead, and some electrical tape. You're going to need some leather looking fake fabric. Got this for 62 cents at Walmart. Some Loctite vinyl, fabric, and plastic. It's flexible adhesive, $2.94. And some Loctite super glue. I need about 1 tube. Got this for $2.47, so let's say $1.25 for that. That's the materials that you need. Well, this is what we have to deal with, what we have to work with today. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the patch real quick. I already kind of measured out what I want to cut, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Got one cut over here, another one right there. Got plenty left over if I ever need it again. So what you want to do is you want to get this inside there all around, so that way we have it kind of covering up, not from the outside but from the inside. So let's try to get this in without cutting, without making the hole any larger than it already is. It will not be easy though, but nevertheless, where there is a will, there is a way. There she goes, huh? There it goes. So now let's try to move it over here. Make sure I kind of get it in the center as much as I can. So let's pull this guy out a little bit right now. Give it a little bit of help, huh? There it goes. There it goes. So you want to feel around. You want to make sure that you got everything in there as best as you can. So I feel that I'm right over here, and then whenever I go over here, I can feel that I'm not too far in. So I'm gonna have to push it a little bit over. There it goes. Okay, now let's feel around. We'll do a little feel test. Yeah. Oh, it feels good. It's right over here. It's perfect. Let's give this one more little feel right over here. It feels good. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it already looks better. But we're not done yet. Here comes the fun part. So we're gonna want to get this kind of creased over as much as we can, kind of together. Not right now, but this is gonna be after we apply the Loctite vinyl and fabric plastic flexible adhesive. Okay. So got a little hole in there. So it's basically trial and error. You just do the best you can to get it all inside there as much as you can. So I guess I'll start from over here and try not to get it on the seat itself. You don't want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and push this up tight over there. Try to get it all spread out as much as we can all over the place. It's already feeling nice. It already kind of wants to stick. That's good. I like that. Look at that. That's nice. Make sure that we get it on there. So let's go ahead and do this. There it goes. I like that. There it goes. Just want to get it all inside there. Make sure that all of it. There you go. Get it all over here. Oh, sorry about that. Oopsie. Technical error. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Looks like I had the phone fall. Anyways, so we got the glue, we got the adhesive all inside as much as we possibly can. Don't be shy to put as much, as much as you want. You don't want to put too much, but it's better to have more than not enough. All right, it looks like I'm already getting it's already getting a bit stiff. I like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get it as close together as possible. Look at that. Oh yes, beautiful. It's as if they were made to be perfectly like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my electrical tape and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of have it a bit tighter. Tighten everything up so that way it looks nice. Okay. So, it's not the best adhesive in the world when it comes to what I need, but it'll come off easy, and that's what I want. I want something that I can take off and not leave any adhesive behind. So I'm going to be using some of this electrical tape that it looks like it doesn't want to do the trick just yet. There it goes. Perfect. There it goes. So basically, I was just trying to have something that I can hold on to like this, that can kind of apply pressure, because you want nice, good pressure all around. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to dry, but when it's done, we will see what the results will look like. All right, well, let's take a look at it. looking to, oh, look at that. That looks nice. That looks nice. Wow. Just get a little close up. Look at that. That's looking nice. I like that. All right. Well, let's add a little bit of super glue, so that way I don't have to sit around here for too long with my hands holding everything in place. So I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes, kind of holding things into place, making sure everything is being is kind of settling in. It says it takes about 30 minutes to dry, but I'm not planning on sitting around for that long, so that's why I'm kind of touching up right over here with the super glue and closing it right back up, letting it sit and cure for a little while. All right. Well, there you have it. It's complete. I went ahead and colored it in with a Sharpie, make it look like it blends in. What I'm thinking about doing is purchasing some kind of a vinyl or leather sealer or whatnot to make it look a little bit nicer and blend in. But overall, it did the job. I think that it should hold up for a while. So hope this helps you guys out. Biggest reason why I did do this is because, well, the video at least, is because people kept suggesting on YouTube or other sites to take the seat out, take off all the vinyl, do what I did essentially, but have to go through all that work. This took me, honestly, I mean, this video, what, 10 minutes, under 10 minutes? It really did not take me that long to do. I hope this helps you guys out. If it did, press like, subscribe, comment below. I always appreciate some feedback. Have a good day.